Today we shall start introduction to additive manufacturing. In previous class I had discussed about the syllabus copy of the subject additive manufacturing. So today we'll start by module 1. So in module 1 the first topic is introduction to additive manufacturing. So what is this additive manufacturing? So it is also defined as layer by layer fabrication of three-dimensional physical model directly from a computer aided design data. So here we are going to manufacture three-dimensional objects by using computer aided drawings and some technology. So here it is nothing but it is similar to construction of a house. So while constructing a house we will add one by one bricks and finally we will construct. So here also in similar fashion we will add material in gradual increasing steps, thereby we will manufacture a material or three-dimensional component. So here it is also called as 3D printing or rapid prototyping or direct digital manufacturing. So additive manufacturing has many different names. In different countries they call by different names. They call it as 3D printing or rapid prototyping or direct digital manufacturing. So here what they do is actually initially they'll draw a three-dimensional model in a computer. So there will be some number of softwares like CATIA, ProE or AutoCAD, etc. Many modeling softwares will be there. So using that modeling software they initially model the three-dimensional component. So after that they will couple this drawing with the manufacturing machine. That machine it will construct the three-dimensional body by adding materials in incremental stages or by small incremental stages. It will add material and finally it will construct the three-dimensional body. So here there should be understanding between CAD software and a manufacturing machine. So this is a new technology. This was coined in the year 1970 and above. So the first impression in order to do or manufacture 3D objects was started in the year 1970, and after 1970 the additive manufacturing it gradually evolved over a period of time. So in early stages in 1970 they started to manufacture polymer materials, polymer or plastic materials. After that after 1970 to 1980-85 the polymer components were manufactured. After 1990 and in recent times the manufacturing is being extended to metallic components also. So for metallic components also initially they will manufacture metallic powders by powder metallurgy technique, and then they will construct three-dimensional body by using these metallic powders. So we will discuss in detail in further modules. So now we are in module 1. So we'll see the basics of this subject. So next is we are going to see the difference between additive manufacturing and CNC machining processes. So we'll see the differences between these two processes. In CNC machining process, initially we will have a solid specimen. We will remove the material from the specimen in order to manufacture a product. So let's consider an example of CNC lathe. In the CNC lathe we will be having a cylindrical specimen. So using that specimen we will remove the materials and we will convert it to required three-dimensional shape, such as tapering or threading or milling, any operation. So in any operation we will remove the material from the cylindrical workpiece. But in case of additive manufacturing, so we will go add the material. So as I said earlier, we will add the material slowly by incremental stages to construct a final object, final three-dimensional object. So this is similar to building a house. So in building a house also we will go on add bricks and in incremental stages, and finally we will construct a big house. So like that. So you consider the simple example of additive manufacturing is building a house. So if we imagine that process, we can easily understand the additive manufacturing process. So first is material difference. The difference is in CNC we will remove the material. In additive manufacturing we will add the material. We will add the material to construct a body. Next, structural difference. In CNC machining, the structure, we cannot manufacture complex structures. We can only manufacture simple shapes or simple structures. But in case of additive manufacturing, we can manufacture complicated structures or complicated shape, because we can easily model the 3D object in a software, and we can couple that to the manufacturing machine, and that machine, it will slowly add the material based on our requirement, and it will construct the three-dimensional body like that. Next is operating software. So in operating software, for CNC machining, it will be having software, and we have to give programs for that. So I hope you might have studied in previous classes about the CNC programming. So if we write a CNC program, we can do the machining process. So for every machining process, there will be different CNC programs, and I hope you know about that. But in case of additive manufacturing, we need to draw three-dimensional body in a software. So it will be similar to that of drawing a three-dimensional object in CATIA or Pro-E or AutoCAD. So in that we will not write the program. We will directly develop 3D model. We will draw the three-dimensional model. So that is the difference, operating software. Next is post-processing difference. So in post-processing difference is, the post-processing refers to the processing after manufacturing. So when the manufacturing has been completed, what are the work we will do, or what are the processing we will do. So in case of CNC manufactured components, we will do only finishing operation. Finishing operation is carried out on the CNC machine components, and in case of additive manufacturing, they will do some fine-tuning process such as giving final touch to the 3D model, or checking the dimensions, whether the dimensions is correct or not, and whether the surface finish is good or not. Like that, they will do some final touch to the components manufactured by additive manufacturing. So these are some basic differences between additive manufacturing and CNC. So this subject is completely theory subject, and it is very easy. So I recommend the textbooks like Additive Manufacturing by Ravi Kumar and Satyabodh Raichur. It is from Sunstar Publishers. And also there is another textbook called Additive Manufacturing by Kestur Praveen. That textbook is also fine.